Hello, it's Abdul here from Best Online Hustle channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress and start building your blog. But before we start, if this is your first time of watching my video, please do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification to be notified each time I drop a new video. So today we are going to look at how to install a WordPress and start building our blog. In my last video, I talked about how you can buy a cheap website for your brand. In case you have not watched the video, I will leave the link in the descriptions below. So kindly go back and watch that video so that you can know how to buy a cheap website for your brand. Either if you are into affiliate marketing or CPA marketing, e-commerce business or a dropshipping business, you would learn how to buy a cheap website for your brand. You can go back to that video and watch it again. The video is in the descriptions below. Just click on the link and then you'll be able to watch the video. So once you buy your cheap website, then you can come back to this video to learn how to install WordPress and start building your blog. With that said, so in that video, I talked about the fact that HostGator is going to help you to automatically create, a cPanel account for you, and they are also going to help you to create accounts on their own platform. So you can check your email. You will see your cPanel login details. So here is how to log into your cPanel details. Just you would be able to anything that happens to be the name of your website. Let's say your name. Let's say the name of your website is abdul.com and then /cpanel. So /cpanel. So once you click on this, then it will take you to a place where you can log into your cPanel. But then I didn't mean that is your website. It will take you to a place where you can log into your cPanels, and then you use your login details that was sent to you by HostGator to log into your cPanel. And so if you log in, it will bring you to a page that look like this one. So after you've logged into your account, the next thing we are going to do right now, which is the first step, is to scroll down in your cPanel. Scroll down, 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 down. Yeah, scroll down. Then under the Spectaculous app installer, you would see WordPress here. So you are going to click on the WordPress. You are going to click on the WordPress now so that we can install it on our website. Yeah, so this is a WordPress, and we are going to install this WordPress on our website. So we are going to click on install now. Install now. Yeah, then it will bring us to this page. Okay, so here we are going to select the domain that we wanted to install the WordPress on. So if you just register your own website, you don't have to select anything because the system is going to select it automatically for you. But someone like me who has a lot of domain, I have to select the one that I wanted to install the WordPress on. So let's say I wanted to install the WordPress on this okay, I wanted to install the WordPress on this this domain. Yeah, so if you, in case you have two domain here, you can select the one that you wanted to install the WordPress on here. Okay, so make sure you delete this WP and then make sure you select the highest version. Okay, select the highest version of WordPress that is available. Then under the settings, under the site settings, so you have to give your domain name a name. So right now the domain here is viewsprot.com, training.viewsprot.com. So the name of the domain name is viewsprot. So I'm going to say the name of the site is viewsprot. Okay, so I'm going to type viewsprot there. Then under the descriptions, your site description. So your site description is going to determine the niche that you're into. Okay, if you are in a wealth niche or a dating niche or or a health niche, any niche that you are in is going to determine the kind of descriptions that you're going to write here. But this particular domain is for a wealth niche, so I'm going to write my my descriptions as when I wanted to teach people something, or I want people to learn how to make money online, how to do some certain things that has to do with generating income online. Okay, so what I'm going to do right here is to write my descriptions like this. Let's say I want to say uh, make how to make money online from the comforts of your home, right? How to make money online from the comfort of your home. That is that. Then under the admin account, so you have to type your username and your password. Okay, so this username and password here is what we are going to be using to log into our WordPress account anytime we wanted to access our blog. So it is very, very important, and I want you to take note of this. It is different from your cpanel login details, and it is also different from your HostGator's login details. So without this login details, you won't be able to have access to your WordPress account. So it is very, very important you know what you're going to type here, you know what you're going to write here, because if you forget it, you may not be able to log into your WordPress blog again. So make sure what you're going to use here is memorable and something that you can, always remember even in your dream. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at this admin as a username and password as passed, because this is just for a training, and so make sure you change your own. Okay, so you scroll down, then under this select under the language here, you are going to leave it at English. You're going to leave it at English, or if you wanted to write your blogs in Arabic or in any other language, you can select the language. But as for me, I live in a country where English is our general language, so I would like to write my own blog or do whatever I want to do in English. Okay, so you can leave it at English if English is your primary language in the country that you live. And then the next thing here is to select a plugin that wants the system to help us to install automatically. So I would like to select this classic editor. So then let's scroll down under the advanced options. This here is where we are going to select our theme. So I would like to select this theme, although you still have the opportunity, you have the options to change it later, but I would just like to start with this to make my blog look beautiful at least. So after you've set all this, make sure you set the right thing and you did not make any mistake. You select the right domain name, you put your usernames and password, and put your titles and your descriptions, and everything. Make sure everything is well set. Then once you're done, just scroll down here and then you will see install. So click on the install button, click on install to install your WordPress. Right now the installation is in process, so we just have to wait. Let's just wait a little bit. The installation is ongoing right now, as you can see. Boom, our website has been installed successfully. So we can now log into our website. So we can now log into our website. So we have to copy this link to log into the admin area, or you can copy this link here to log in to view the website. You can copy this link to view the website. Let's copy this link now to our browser. Let's open our browser to view this link. Boom, our website is live. You can see. So our website is live. As you can see, our website is live. This is how our website would look like. Okay, this is how our website would look like. Our website is live right now. Our website is live. You can see they even help us to add this. Okay, they even help us to add this. So our website is live. Then we can go back again to copy this admin URL. Okay, so anytime you wanted to log into your website, this is how the website is going to look like. Okay, it's going to be your website http your website /wp minus admin. Okay, that is where that is how your website is going to look like. Then open a new tab and enter the URL. So right now we are going to log in with the details that we just created, like with the username and password that I told you is very important. You are going to log in with that details here. So we can say I think I said, okay, it's admin. Yes, the username is admin. and the password is pass, right? Let's see. Okay guys, so now it is successful. Okay, it's successful. So that is how easy it is to install WordPress. And another thing I would like to show you here is how to install an Ssl certificate to your website. So in your own case, your website might say it is not secure. They might say your website is not secure and your website is risk something or something like that. So in a case like that, you need to install an Ssl certificate on your website. So to do that, all you need to do is to go back to your cpanel, then go back, click on back button here. So we are going to look for let encrypt. Okay, you click on under the security here, you click on let encrypt. Boom. So we are going to install security an Ssl certificate on our website. We are going to install an Ssl certificate on our website. Okay, so I will show you how to do that now. All right, so once you click on let encrypt, so if you have a website that you have already installed the certificate on, it will list them here. So these are the one that, and then from here it will show you the one that you can install the Ssl certificate on. So just scroll down. Okay, just scroll down, then look for the one that you wanted to install the Ssl certificate on. So we can let's just go to the next. Let's just click on the next button to see if these ones are, if that one is going to be available. Okay, this is the one that we wanted to install the Ssl certificate on, training.viewsprot. Okay, remember it is our website. Okay, training.viewsprot.com. So we are going to install the Ssl certificate on this now. Just click on issue, right? Then click on, you tick on this add cpanel subdomain, and then come down here, make sure you select this one, http-01, then click on issue. Boom, let's say the Ssl certificate is now installed onto the domain training.viewsprot.com, which is our domain. So there is another things we need to do again. We need to install one plugin called Really SSL. Okay, so to install the plugin, we have to log into our blog again. So our blog admin, through the admin, we have to log in, and then at the left side, you would see plugin, right? Then click on it, just place your mouse on it, then you will see add new. Click on add new so that we can add a new plugin. So we are going to search for the plugin here under the search bar here. So we are going to type really SSL so that we can install the plugin. Yeah, so this is a plugin here, as you can see. So we are going to install this plugin and activate it to make sure everything is done properly. Boom, the plugin has been installed. Now the next thing we have to do right now is to activate the plugin. Click on activate. Go, then click on activate SSL. Boom. So right now we have installed an Ssl on our website. Okay, we have installed Ssl on our website. So guys, that is how easy it is to install WordPress and install an Ssl site and install an Ssl to make your site look secured. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can also learn more about how you can design your website and how to design a blog how to design a blog and make it look more beautiful, how to customize this website and make it look more beautiful. Okay, I'm going to be dropping the videos on my channel here, so make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification icon so that you can be notified each time I drop a new video. So thank you so much and have a wonderful day.